one of the most horrific and politically charged murders of the 2020 Delhi riots, the killing of the Intelligence Bureau staffer Ankit Sharma, that became a defining moment of the violence that gripped the national capital. And now, more than 6 years later, a Delhi court has convicted the former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain in the murder case, along with 4 other co-accused. The 2020 Delhi riots witnessed days of unprecedented violence, with the murder of Intelligence Bureau staffer Ankit Sharma emerging as one of its most high-profile cases. And even after being convicted, Tahir Hussain remains defiant. As he was being escorted from the court, Times Now confronted the former Aam Aadmi Party councillor over the verdict, and Hussain rejected the court's findings and insisted that justice has not been done. Here is what he had to say when our reporter questioned him.
आपको सजा सुनाई है कोर्ट ने, आपको कुछ कहना है क्या? आपको सजा सुनाई है कोर्ट ने, आपको कुछ कहना है क्या? आपको सजा सुनाई है कोर्ट ने, आपको कुछ कहना है क्या? आपको सजा सुनाई है कोर्ट ने, आपको कुछ कहना है क्या?
Now, even as the political sparring over the verdict intensifies, the Aam Aadmi Party has issued its first official response to Tahir Hussain's conviction. The party says Hussain was removed from its primary membership within hours of an FIR being registered against him in 2020 and has no association with the Aam Aadmi Party since. Also pointing out that Hussain later contested the Delhi Assembly elections as an AIMIM candidate, and claims his candidature in Mustafabad ultimately benefited the BJP. Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. And Sabyasachi, it was one of the most horrific cases. The details of it had shocked the entire country, and now the former Aam Aadmi Party councillor has been convicted by the court. What are the details of what the court has said and the first official statement from the Aam Aadmi Party on this?
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, the court had charged Mr. Tahir Hussain and 4 others in the Delhi riots, and several charges have been framed against him, whether it is murder, rioting, or instigating the mob. And these are the serious charges, and that is the reason why Tahir Hussain has been charged by the Delhi High Court. After that, the Aam Aadmi Party has given their official response. They have said that they have severed ties with Tahir Hussain from a very long time. He was not part of the Aam Aadmi Party, but the BJP have questioned the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress ecosystem here in the national capital, stating that the opposition continue to support the people who are accused of Delhi riots, whether it is Tahir Hussain, Umar Khalid, Sharjil Imam. All these have been shielded by the opposition parties time and again, and the BJP has said that it is time for the Aam Aadmi Party, specifically for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, to come out and apologize, because at that particular time when the riots was happening, the Aam Aadmi Party and the other opposition parties were continuously shielding Mr. Tahir Hussain, and the BJP says that that was not a spontaneous riot. In fact, it was a planned riot, and it was done in a manner to defame India on the national platform. So that is the reason why the BJP had demanded accountability from the Aam Aadmi Party as well as from the Congress Party.
So the politics around it still continues. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with all those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.